Licensing is often I'd call it an underdone component of our technology business, and I liken it sometimes it's likened to, say, an electricity agreement where you pick your vendor, you sign away, you set and forget, your electricity lights turn on and you pay your bill every single month. Licensing, I find, is quite different in that, depending on your size of business, type of business and what you're after, can also depend on what you want to get out of your licensing. I'll use Microsoft as a prime example. It's one that's used across most businesses. There's so many different types of licenses that those individual businesses aren't necessarily going to know what's best for my business, what type of license, how much do I spend? Because often a lot of these licenses, when we're going into a prospect, they've got a particular type of license that they're paying a lot for, but they may not understand what are a whole lot of the freebies that are coming along with that license that either gain efficiencies for the business or also potentially reduce cost. There's things like Intune, Microsoft Defender from an endpoint security perspective. There's Power BI, there's Power Automate, a whole lot of these things that sometimes aren't used. It's not only that, it's then proactivity that sits behind that license as well. Versus just a set and forget, it's, are all of my licenses active? Have any been dormant for a certain period of time that may then pose a security risk with a person that may have left the business? There's a whole lot of data that you're able to find on these different licenses that, rather than just paying a bill, and it may just be the same price that you're paying, but it's what's happening in the background with the expertise of your technology partner who are actually providing you with, like I said, extra tools, extra productivity and extra efficiency within those licenses.